Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Industrial sector in Goa has had the same problems that देशभरकडे झाल्या. It has been in Goa as well. We have had lot of problems. पण आता currently the market is slightly showing upward trends and थोडा improvement चालू असा. So we wanted a lot of things, lot of help from the government. There are a lot of things. There are issues with IDC related issues are there in industrial estates, whether it is infrastructure or various other things. Then there are these basically on what are the parameters we can work on for ease of doing business. Then there are issues which besides the industries, the entire other trade is also suffering. Like all the municipalities are demanding full year's charges from them, whether it is sanitation charge or house tax or trade tax and all that. So we have sought relief on that, because besides the manufacturing unit, even the small shopkeepers or hotels, restaurants, everybody should get rebate. We have sought rebate on the excise for the bar license, because bars were not opened for 4 months in this year. So why should the fees be paid for 12 months? Economy has to run. Health is important, but economy has to run, because if there is no economy, if there is no income for households, what is the use of your health?
ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिझनेसांत गोंयचें रँकिंग घसरलां. हालींच GSIच्या अध्यक्षान इंडस्ट्रियल प्लॉटांच्या वेव्हारांनी IDCची हप्तेखोरी वाऱ्यार घाल्ली. मुख्यमंत्र्याचे खंय ताचेर IDCच्या ऑफिसरांकडेन उलोवप जालां.
When we were asked about the functioning of IDC and all, people reacted on the facts. And we have also raised this concern with the Honorable Chief Minister, and Chief Minister has held a meeting with IDC and respective authorities, and have communicated to them that they should work on ease of doing business on a top priority.
गजाली लक्ष घालून जाग्यार घालता म्हूण सांगून मुख्यमंत्र्यान तांकां नित्या भशेन धाडल्यात.
On the industrial sector, there were a lot of things which needed to be done, and we are happy that Chief Minister is going to give us a very, very positive solution to the problems there.
Bureau Report, Prudent.